Hiro-san, how are you?
Hi, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. We got a little something we want to show everyone.
Yes, I got some package actually yesterday, and then one from the knife merchant.
Knife merchant, yeah. Yes. Let's show everyone.
Yeah, this is coming
for
the for sure the prize things.
We do want to thank Knife Merchant. They were part of this event. The fastest roll sushi chef in the world, Jeremy Hoff. Congratulations again to Jeremy. Oh, okay, let's show.
This is making the knife.
Yes.
Taking off the rust.
If you guys have any rust on your knife, this thing takes everything off of it. It's from Knife Merchant.
Very good stuff.
Yes.
Now you can see, one is a 200, one is a 250, and one is 100.
Let's take one out. Let's take Jeremy's out.
250.
This is a 250, yeah.
We open
Take a look at that.
And here is it.
Oh, it's really nice gift card.
This one I'm gonna send it out tomorrow.
Congratulations again, guys.
Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you. Welcome to another edition of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon.
Very good afternoon. I'm so excited for this recipe, Hiro. We have the beauty and the beast. Something so beautiful and something so beastly. You want to tell everybody what we're doing and what we're making?
Yes, basically we are going to make fried rice.
Okay.
But in the ingredients, and here's a Alaskan red crab.
Yes.
Legs. Of course,
it's the beautiful part of the recipe.
And then the other one is this one, spam.
Spam. Which is the lunch meat they make here in the United States, which is delicious, by the way.
Yeah, we made
so
a spam musubi last time.
Right,
yeah.
It's excellent. You guys got to try it at home.
This one. And then next one is this one here. Japanese short grain steamed rice here. And
look at the ratio here. Let's point that out. It's like 1 to 1.
Like that.
Even amounts.
Even amount almost here.
Just saying you can have some rice with your crab meat and spam.
And then another one is snow pea.
Snow peas, okay.
And white onion, carrots, and scallion. Okay. And I'm gonna use the eggs. And seasoning, very simple: salt, black pepper, and sesame oil and soy sauce.
Ah, so simple.
That's it.
Okay.
So let's do spam.
Okay.
Cup.
Sounds good. Just using about half a can.
Yeah, half can.
You guys have never tried this? Get yourself a can of spam. Dice it up like this and throw it in the skillet and cook it up and mix it with some rice. Wow, you've got a great meal there.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
A little bit of oil. I wanted 3 eggs.
3 eggs, sound good. Some people in your other recipe here, they said that you cooked the eggs too long; they were overdone.
Okay.
Do you see those comments?
I think I saw that comment too.
So a lot of people, they cook the egg and then they put it aside, and then they cook the other stuff, and then they mix the egg later on.
Oh, I see. So after you cook the rice and once taken out from the wok?
Yeah, after you cook the eggs till it's maybe 80%, you remove it and then you do the other stuff. I don't know. That's what some people do.
Onions. And carrots. And snow pea in. And then spam. Everything in.
And what heat do you have this at?
It's all the way up.
Okay, so maximum heat.
And crab is in.
Okay. Wow. Again, thank you to John from North Carolina for sending this to us. We have made so many delicious meals and videos for everyone just because of this delicious crab meat.
And then next one, rice in.
Okay. Rice looks like a seasoning. It's so little, you know.
Yeah. The crab and the smile is the main character here, you know.
Exactly. Wow, what would you charge for this fried rice if you were to make it, Hiro?
And salt.
Okay.
And black pepper.
Want to do the Gangnam Style, Hiro? Again, for some people that never saw it last time? Do the Gangnam Style, Hiro?
This one. Okay. This. Alright.
Remember Cuba, Hiro? That was great. Just like in Cuba.
Just like a Cuba. Okay.
That was such a good time, Hiro. Such a good time.
Yeah, we're gonna going back to maybe in June.
Yeah, right. They invited you back there in June, right?
Right. Okay, then soy sauce
Okay.
and sesame oil.
Wow.
And scallion.
Wow. That looks so good, Hiro. Look at this. Oh my goodness, you guys have to try this at home. You can't get this beautiful Alaska king crab legs and get some shrimp, some lobster tail, and make sure you get that Spam. It's gonna make a world of difference.
That it was which scallion?
Okay. Beautiful.
Okay, that's it.
Wow, what a meal. I'm so full, but I'm gonna eat some more, I guess. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We will see you very, very soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Beauty and the Beast. I cannot wait to try this myself, Hiro.
Crab and spam fried rice.
Yes. This is more Spam and crab meat than it is rice.
Crabs.
Let's take a look at this. The secret again is using some fresh steamed Japanese rice. Take a look.
Let me see. How's that?
Oh man,
A lot of crab.
so much crab. And I love Spam. I don't mind the Spam either, Hiro.
Look at that. All crabs.
I can imagine every bite is a piece of crab meat because it's 1-to-1. There's so much crab meat in here. And the crab meat is delicious. So moist, succulent. Look at this. Every spoon that you get has a crab. Hiro, this is a meal. Okay, Hiro-san.
Okay, today actually we made several videos. So right now we need to kanpai time. So we're gonna do with the soda.
Okay.
So this is we call ramune soda. It's a very classic Japanese the soda,
Yeah.
the juice. It's a very unique design. I think this is already in the United States very, very popular. Already.
Yes, it is.
So let me open up on the top. Then you
Okay.
can see more that what it is.
Kids love this. Kids love it because you've got to, it requires them to do something in order to get to the
Right,
soda.
right. This one, since I was a little kid, yeah, the designs so unique.
Yeah.
So what it is, the soda, and then you can take off these things. You need to use these parts.
Yeah,
so
you remove the centerpiece
yeah,
right here.
And here they have a little glass bottle here.
Yes.
And then they have a little, how they call it, the dent.
Yeah, indentation maybe.
So you're gonna use these things and pushing down.
Right.
The board is going down.
The ball releases, it falls in here. Let's see if we can capture this while you do that.
So then
Do
when
the
you
slow
drink,
motion here.
you have to go this way.
Okay.
Then board is gonna stay here.
Okay.
Then you can drink it. But if you go for other side, board coming to stuck in again.
Right.
The juice not gonna coming out.
It's like a puzzle. Who wants to work so hard to get a drink?
I'm gonna show you how to drink. 1, 2, 3. See? Now board going down. You can see board going down. So when you go this way, board will go stuck here.
Right.
But if you go into this way, board is coming to your side.
Okay, and it's gonna
and
plug up the hole.
Stuck again.
Nice.
So like this. We're gonna show you. You see that?
Yeah.
But if you go this way,
you gotta work harder.
you can suck in the soda, but board coming to this
Too
way.
hard.
So go this way.
Nice.
This is lemonade. So you must try it too.
Hiro, can you, instead of using a whole hand to cover it, can you use something to push it so I can still keep looking here with the camera, the edge? Maybe some kind of straight edge or something?
What?
Yeah, don't use your hand. Maybe something like a plate or something.
Oh, plate or something?
Yeah, so I want to film this in slow motion.
Go like that?
Let's see. Okay, perfect. Yeah. Let me hold the bottom.
Okay.
Ready? Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. Easy. Nice. And then glass ball gets released. We remove the cap. And voila. Cheers.
Cheers.
So this flavor is tastes like cream soda. Not really a flavor. You know what I'm saying here? Like a cream soda?
Right.
Tastes good. But I'm more excited for this, Hiro. This fried rice. Well, I gotta get back to this. Oh my goodness. I'm in fried rice heaven, Hiro. Literally, fried rice heaven.
That's heaven.
There is such a thing that is this. Because you have my two favorite ingredients. That's the cream crab leg and Spam. Kind of like a yin and yang fried rice. Which are you, the dark side or the light side? Can't get enough.
Crab legs and the spam.
Hiro, thank you.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.